Oh yeah, AK-12. Woo! This is a happy flower. We're gonna fly this tin can. All right, let's do it. First, I will do the flying tin can ever. But it's extremely dangerous, so okay, I will count. Mercury Chan, Venus Chan, Earth Chan, Mars Chan, Jupiter Chan. Ho ho ho! Mother Russia. Woohoo! Lipad, lipad, flying away. Oh! Whoa, what the heck is that? What the heck? The can is obliterated. Look at that, look at that, look at that. This tin can is destroyed by a nuclear. I think this like a bullet, like insanely like a ammunition. It flies through into the sky and obliterated this can and anything I heard of.